Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel Coding with Alif, and I am Alif with you to guide about coding. In this video I wanna show you how to make a batch file which work through multiple browser, open multiple browser, how to open a single or multiple website in a multiple browser with a single command. For this we have to make a batch file. So let's make a batch file with this text document. There will be the name is open dot cmd. You can also put here but now I am showing it cmd here. From this you have to make a command echo at the rate echo off. Then I have already set up here 5 Chrome browser. You just simply code here start Chrome 001 www dot I wanna open here mine website. I'm showing you info 360 dot blogspot.com. Then second command start probe let's make the second command like this. We have to make more 3 and change the code from here. And let's save it. Make a comment from here. You have to just double click from here and your browser will open and your website will be open on those browsers. See this. See this, I am going to the fast browser, the second browser. This is my website and I just opened with this is and properly works. So following these rules you can also make these kinds of auto login. But thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum. and I'm showing you how to exit all the Chrome browser at once. By this task manager you have to open and click the enter from Chrome. It will work. So my video. Assalamu alaikum.